Hello and welcome back to Swing Trading Masterclass by Wealthy Education. In this video, we're going to take a look at a couple of candlesticks called the Inverted Hammer and Shooting Star. Much like the last video, this features candlesticks that are structurally the same. It just comes down to where you see them on a chart. And that's what they look like, or they can look like this. Basically, you've got a small body and a long wick to the top. And what does this tell you? It tells you that the buyers couldn't hang on to the gains. Now, when you are rising at the top of an uptrend, it becomes a shooting star, and it shows that perhaps the buyers are running out of momentum, and a breakdown below that candlestick. Everybody who's buying suddenly finds themselves, including these people up here, in trouble, and they have to sell to get out of their position. However, these can occur at the bottom of a downtrend. And what happens is you do this for this candlestick, right? Well, what happens if you break above it? That means that the buyers have come back in a rather relentless fashion and broke through all of these fresh sellers. So then as they continue to go higher, they are going to take traders out and push to the upside. So this inverted hammer, it's upside down hammer, shows real strength once you break the top of it. It's kind of like the hanging man. It's not really hanging man until you break the bottom of that. Well, when you break the top of this, it becomes an inverted hammer. The shooting star just shows that the buyers have run out of strength and that we are possibly going to reverse. So shooting stars don't necessarily have to be at the top of a major uptrend. You can see that there's a massive shooting star here, followed by another shooting star. So what does that tell you? That tells you the buyers could not continue to push the market back up, and we continued the downtrend. We also have one here as we rallied, and as you can see, we broke down. In the euro. The Litecoin chart, we rallied for some time, formed a bit of a shooting star here and another one here. Once we broke down below the bottom of it, you can see that all of those buyers had been trapped. And the lower we go, the more panic sets into the market and people need to get out. Now, the inverted hammer here in Wells Fargo, you can see that we had been selling for quite some time, and the buyers came in and failed. So at the end of this day, this is a daily chart, sellers had to feel pretty good about the situation. However, we gapped higher, which is the first bullish sign, and then broke above the top of this inverted hammer, thereby confirming that it's an inverted hammer, rallied, pulled back, and continued to go higher, at least for a pretty significant corrective wave. This is just like the last set of candlesticks, the hanging man and the hammer. It shows exhaustion. These candlesticks, like this and like this, there are entire systems drawn around these two shapes. So if nothing else, this is where a lot of money is made.